Hey guys, welcome to Tan Investing. If you're new here, welcome. Today we would be looking at the three high dividend Canadian stocks by market cap, and it's REITs that you can buy for passive income. So SmartCentres Real Estate Investment Trust, ticker symbol sru.un. It was founded in 1989. SmartCentres Real Estate Investment Trust is one of the Canada's largest fully integrated REITs with best-in-class portfolio featuring 168 strategically located properties in communities across the country. SmartCentres has about 10.3 million in assets, and it owns 34 million square footage of income producing value oriented retail spaces with 97.3% occupancy on 3,500 acre of owned land across Canada. SmartCentres continues to focus on enhancing the lives of Canadians by planning and developing complete, connected, mixed-use communities to its existing retail properties. Project 512, a publicly announced 13.5 billion intensification program, which is 7.9 billion at SmartCentres share, which represent the REIT current major development focus. This intensification program consists of rental apartments, condo, senior residences, hotels to be developed under Smart Living banner, retail, office, storage facility to be developed under the SmartCentres banner. Project 512 produces an additional 55.4 million square foot of space, 27.7 million square footage of which has been and will be commenced constructions within the next 5 years. From shopping center to city center, SmartCentres is the share price positions to reshape the urban Canadian urban and it's trading around suburban land 58. The fair market value it's about $49.27. So the stock is 40% undervalued, which means there is a lot of potential growth on the stock here. And if you were to look at the 5-year chart, you can see it was close to 40-ish, $37 in the past in 2016, and then it just got dropped, but it is picking up pretty fast after the pandemic. So if you were to look at the chart here, the PE ratio, it is a bit high. It's at 71.82. And the dividend, it pays it monthly. You would get 0.1542 per month per share. If you look at the yield, it's about 6.25. And if you look at the 52-week range, it was $19.49 being the lowest to $29.65 being the highest. The market cap on this is is 4 billion. Ex-dividend date is always around the 28th of each month, so June 28th would be the next dividend date. The second stock that we will look at is Northwest Healthcare Properties REIT, ticker symbol nwh.un. So Northwest Healthcare Property REIT provides investor with access to portfolio of high-value healthcare real estate compressed of interest in diversified portfolio of 189 income-producing properties and 15.3 million square footage of gross leasable area located throughout the major market in America, Europe, and Australasia. In Canada, the REIT is largest non-government owner and managers of medical office buildings and healthcare facility from coast to coast, including major concentrations in Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto, Montreal, and Quebec City, along with Halifax. In its international market, the REIT is partnered with region's leading healthcare operators and has built leading management platform in global gateway cities comprised of quality healthcare real estate infrastructure assets with capacity for future growth. The REIT portfolio of medical office building, clinics, hospitals is characterized by long-term indexed leases and stable occupancies. With a fully integrated, aligned senior management team, the REIT leverages over 200 professionals across 9 offices in 5 countries to serve as long-term real estate partner to a leading healthcare operators. Our goals in this talk is to provide real estate solution tailored to the healthcare industry on global scale. They understand that healthcare tenants have specialized real estate needs, from the sale of medical office building to leasing new space to individual professional requirement or evolving healthcare practices trends. We have solutions for real estate needs. And according to the analyst, its target price is about $13.50. At the moment, it's trading around $13.03. So there's still about 3.6% upside to the stock here. If you look at the 2016, it has been trading around $13, and at the moment, it's also close to $13. It does provide you a good dividend on this one, which is also 6.14%, which means that you will get 0.0667 cents monthly for this stock. The stock price is only $13.03. So there's not much of a price appreciation on this based on my understanding, but you could get the dividend each month. It does have a market cap of 3 million. The ex-dividend date is on June the 28th. The third stock and the last stock that we will be looking at is Artis Real Estate Investment Trust, ticker symbol AX.UN. It's one of the largest diversified commercial real estate investment trusts in Canada, and it's incorporated closed-end real estate investment trust, primarily focusing on creating value for unit holder through the investment in and ownership of quality commercial properties in select market. Artis REIT's portfolio consists of industrial, retail, office properties in Canada and United States. Artis REIT's primary objective is to maximize the total return to our global unit holder. Return include tax-efficient monthly cash distribution, as well as long-term appreciation in the value of Artis units through the accumulation and effective management of quality portfolio of commercial real estate. And the valuation as of June the 7th, the fair value is 12.35. High close value is about 11.45. So it is still undervalued about 7% at discounted price. If you were to look at the 5-year chart, it used to trade around $14 back in 2016. It has gone as far as $14 in the past. Slowly it's recovering. So Artis Real Estate Investment, AX.UN, the PE ratio is pretty low. It's 8.39, and it did provide you a dividend of 0.05 per share. The yield is 5.24. The previous close was $11.45. If you look at the 52-week range, it's $7.19 to $11.85. The market cap is $2 billion. And the ex-dividend date is on June the 28th. So as you can see, we have covered all the REITs that has high market cap. And in this video, we also looked at diversified REITs options. So as you can see, sru.un is covering the retail sector. nwh.un is covering the healthcare section. AX.UN is covering the commercial real estate.